Desert plants are amazing. They are called xerophytes. This name comes from the Greek word xeros, meaning dry. Xerophytes live in places where it is hot and there is little water. They have special features to survive in these harsh conditions. These features help them store water and stay alive. One useful feature is their ability to conserve water. Xerophytes have thick skins that prevent water from escaping. This is important because the sun in the desert is very hot. The heat can quickly dry out plants if they are not careful. So, xerophytes are experts at holding on to every drop of water they get. Another wonder of xerophytes is their ability to survive long dry periods. Some of these plants can go into a kind of sleep. This is called dormancy. During dormancy, they stop growing and use very little energy. When it rains, they wake up and start growing again. This is a clever way to survive tough times. Xerophytes are not just survivors, they are also beautiful. Their shapes, colors, and textures make the desert a fascinating place. Some have bright flowers that bloom after a rainstorm. These flowers attract bees and other insects. The insects help the plants by moving pollen from one flower to another. This helps the plants make seeds and grow new plants. Storing water is crucial for desert plants. Many xerophytes have thick, fleshy stems. These stems act like water tanks. They store water for times when there is no rain. This is especially important in deserts, where rain is rare. When it finally rains, the plants soak up as much water as they can. They store this water in their stems to use later. Another adaptation is having few or no leaves. Leaves can lose water easily, so many desert plants do not have them. Instead, they have spines or scales. These spines protect the plant and help it hold on to its water. Without leaves, the plant can survive longer without rain. Some plants, like cacti, have special green stems. These stems do the job of leaves. They use sunlight to make food for the plant. This process is called photosynthesis. By using their stems instead of leaves, they save water and still get energy from the sun. In deserts, every drop of water counts. Desert plants have deep roots that reach far down into the soil. These roots find water hidden deep underground. This is another way they make sure they have enough water to survive. With these clever adaptations, desert plants thrive in places where other plants cannot. Nombrins. Desert plants come in many shapes and sizes. Some are round, like a ball. This shape helps them save water. A round shape has less surface area than a flat one. This means less water can escape. Round plants can hold water inside for a long time. Dormancy is another trick desert plants use. When there is no rain, they go into a deep sleep. During this time, they stop growing and conserve energy. It is like pressing a pause button. This helps them survive until the next rain comes. The Copiapoa is a great example. It lives in a place where it almost never rains. To survive, it collects dew from the air. This dew is enough to keep it alive. The Blossfeldia is another plant that can survive without water. It can dry out completely and still come back to life when it rains. The Selaginella, or resurrection plant, is truly remarkable. It looks like a dead ball of leaves when dry, but when it rains, it opens up and turns green again. This quick change is amazing to see. It shows how well desert plants can adapt to their environment. Rain in the desert is like magic. It brings life to the barren land. When it rains, many desert plants quickly bloom. This is a special event. The flowers are bright and colorful, painting the desert with beauty. These blooms attract insects and birds that help pollinate the flowers. The flowers do not last long. They must hurry before the water disappears. Insects visit the flowers, spreading pollen. This helps the plants make seeds. These seeds will grow into new plants when the conditions are right. It is a race against time, but it is essential for the plant's survival. Desert plants are clever. They have learned to make the most of the little water they get. By blooming quickly, they ensure their survival. After the flowers die, the seeds remain. These seeds can stay dormant until it rains again. When it does, they will sprout and start the cycle over. Desert plants show us the power of adaptation. They are masters of survival. Their unique features and strategies help them thrive in one of the toughest environments on Earth. The next time you see a desert plant, remember its incredible journey. It is a true testament to the wonders of nature.